Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 1 Mark VI, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, you want to pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, locate the screen recorder, which for me it is right over here. Once you see yours, you can simply press on it. It brings up this overlay asking you if you want to record what kind of audio you want to record. So by default, it will be device audio selected, though it will be turned off. So you can turn it on in here. And in the drop down, you can also select microphone or both. Now when using both, I would recommend using headphones, as that might without it, it might create an unwanted echo effect. Now, below that we have show touches on the screen, which will record a semi-transparent gray dot wherever your finger was pressing the display. I'm going to turn it on just so you can see how that looks like. From there, click on start. This will begin a countdown. And then with a notification, it will begin a recording. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. You open up some kind of applications. They should be, for the most part, recorded. And once you're done, find the notification, select stop, and this will automatically save it to your Photos application. Now it will be visible right here at the front. You can click on it right away. You can also see this little dot, that's where my finger was pressing the display. And there we go. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.